Okay, so this is just a quick review of version 18 compared to the new version 22. I actually upgraded it to see if there's any improvement so that my workflow can be improved. But although it's faster, but it's not doesn't mean it's better. So here's something that I found. So I'm just going to load one basic photo. I'm going to load the same, and just to let you see, I actually have this one as a standard. I'm going to reset it in total so you can see what is it about. So I'm going to go to here. I'm going to go to reset to original so you can see exactly what is original. So I realized there's this error for this uh, version 22. I think they will fix this soon, but it's still a hassle. So once that thing comes out, I think I have some issue trying to select that photo. So I'm going to just click around until that picture comes out. So at least I can still get it to work, but if there's more photos, all the photos will be gone. So now I'm going to go to here, preset, reset to original. So there shouldn't be any bug, right? But there is still a bug. So you see this first thing that I've realized is this hair issue. So you see if I were to increase the hair volume for version 18, so on the left side here, this is version 18. On the right side here, this is version 22. You can see the new look. Over here, the hair doesn't have any issue. You see, it's still looking okay. So notice here. But check out this one. I think they'll also fix this in time to come, but I think after so many versions, it's still very unacceptable to be still having this issue. Oh, wrong. Hair volume, you see? Check out the wave. Check out the wave. Like, compared to this one. So for male hair, I realize it's okay. I've checked previously, but of course I need it for female hair as well. I can't have you having this thing. And the next is something that I hope that they can actually improve it, which is this touch up. So at this version 18 at the strength 30, I can actually touch up and have the fine hairs totally removed. Even if I want it to be like this, can be done. Of course, this is a bit too extreme already. Of course, I hope that this can be completely gone as well. But at the very least, I hope it should improve. So even you see at this strength 100, it blurs it. It doesn't remove it totally. So this is just going to add on to my work. I still need to use Photoshop to actually do this. So it's not helping at all. So notice even these two basic functions, even despite adding on so many things, the basic ones are getting worse and worse. So anything on the face is okay, but I'm not sure why do they want to totally remove that feature. So this one is back to version 18, but it still works, and it's at I increase it too much. So even at this strength 30, it should work wonder. You can see all this is still very natural. Fine hairs can be removed. But over here, this one shouldn't be an issue, but you see this fine hair, it just blurs it out and becomes a shadow. You cannot remove further. So you see this hair, I've done multiple clicks already, it's still not removing, but over here, you see that at least it still continue to remove. Of course, it's not the best effect, but at least it still does something at strength 30. Let's check out 100. Okay, yeah, I think that's about as much as it can go. So, and of course, there's also the background removal. I would say the hair is really a bad thing. Let me see whether version 18 have this. Oh, it already have. So I'm going to just close this. You can see that I don't really use it because it's still not as good. But at least this is this is what it creates. But check out this one. So okay, I just make it simpler. I won't give it that funny wave look due to this thing that it may have an issue on. So I'm just going to go to the tools. Let me see. Remove crop tool. Is it crop tool? I think so. No, it's not. Let me just remove noise crop tool. Oh, I can't even know where is it. Let me just see. Okay, this is something new. Layer. Yeah, view and edit. Change background. Let me just see. Okay, seems like it's similar. And notice that all these things, it doesn't refine the hair as well as Photoshop, so it's not going to save me any time as well. So I'm just going to see if I can click on this one, find detail. Does it restore back? Okay, at least it does. But the thing is, you need an additional step to click this thing. Let me just, oh, I cannot just go around. I need to, hopefully this will be automated. Let me just go here and see this, back to version 18, find detail. Okay, at least I found something. But the thing is, Photoshop does this with one click. Just click refine hair, it's already there. So for this, you still need one more step to click on find detail. And this should have been improved since long ago. And I don't have the easy option of just zooming around easily. So I need to do this each time as well. Okay, that's it for my short review. Of course, there's many much more, but these are the basic stuff that I've been using. And I really hope that this can be done before I can think of trying to pay again for another version to improve my workflow. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.